doing today? Kai Mudge. We are finding percent of a number, and what is our I can statement, Aiden?
I can calculate tax, tip, and simple interest.
We are not, or we did not do simple interest, and we will not do simple interest. We cut that out, right? Okay, vocab. Do you need to know about a discount?
Yes.
Do you need to know about sales tax?
Yes.
Gratuity, did we do that?
Yes.
We did?
No.
We didn't really do that one. Okay, so we didn't really do gratuity because we ran out of time, so don't worry about that. Did we do interest?
No.
Did we do principal?
No.
No. Very similar concepts, but we didn't get time to do them, so we're going to skip over those. Do you need to know what of means?
Yes.
What's it mean?
Multiply.
For fun, what does is mean?
Equal.
Is equals, right? Is means equals. Okay? All right. To find the percent of a number, I gave you a statement such as number 7. What is 4% of 12? I asked you to write a number sentence. We took the word what, and what did we use for what? X. What means X? That's what we're trying to figure out. What does is mean?
Equal.
4%. Do you ever use percentages in calculating?
No.
You have to convert your percentages to either a fraction or a,
Decimal.
and you know 4% is the same as 400. What does of mean? And 12 would be your 12. So if we're asking for 4% of 12, you essentially could take every single word of that sentence or of that question, and you could write a number sentence. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And then could you multiply 0.04 times 12? And you get what? What?
4,800.
All right, cool. Okay, another example on number 8. Number 3, calculating sales price. Calculating sale prices. Be very careful on sales prices. Again, pay attention to your percentages. Pay attention to your ofs and your ises. Pay attention to your numbers. 15% off of $100. You have to calculate what 15% is of 100, and then you need to do what, everybody?
Subtract.
Okay, I'm going to say that again. I see a lot of blanks out there. 15% of 100. Calculate what it is, and then what?
Subtract.
Subtract. Okay? Okay, a couple more examples. Okay, we got a little complicated down here on number 11. Doesn't matter which way you do it. You can find sale price. Stop. You can find sales price by cutting off, or also by finding the percentage of. If 11 is confusing to you, if you'd rather just stick to letter A here, stick to letter A. If you can do both, wonderful, but I'm only going to ask you to find a final answer. I'm not going to ask you to be able to do it both ways. It's just something to think about going forward. Tax. What is a tax? What is a tax? What is a tax? What is a tax? Anybody want to tell me what a tax is? Everyone should be able to raise your hand and tell me what a tax is. Laura, what's a tax?
The amount added
To what?
to the original.
To the original price. Are we charged taxes on goods here in Minnesota?
No.
On goods here in Minnesota.
Yeah.
If it's a good, are we charged a tax on it?
Yeah.
A good would be something that we don't really need. Are we charged taxes on necessities?
No.
So give me an example of a necessity in Minnesota that we are not charged tax on, Alexis. Clothes. Give me another example of a necessity in Minnesota that we are not charged taxes on, Annika.
Food.
Food that we need, right?
Food that we need.
Would you be charged tax on a candy bar?
Yes.
Would you be charged tax on a can of pop?
Yes.
Yes, if you're buying it at a store where they can tax you. If it's out of a vending machine, it's already got the tax included in there. Okay? So calculating taxes, you have to add to the total if we're asking for total prices, or you have to find the percentage of the original to calculate tax. All examples here would help you out. Any questions we need to solve before quitting? Hey, Mrs. Gamby, do you want to be on our video?
Hello, students. Can I see Lily?
Will, you need to go see Mrs. Gamby, and we're going to stop the video.